Hello guys, this is Amigo Japan again. I wanted to show you a pocket computer I bought at Yahoo Auctions. I know I haven't released a video in a long time, but I thought this was interesting. Okay, so let me see, where should I start? First of all, this pocket computer has 3 modes. One is immediate mode, where you can type like, let's say 1 plus 1. Enter. Didn't work. Well, if I type 1, it should return 1. Oh, the answer is coming on this side. Okay. So yeah, 1 plus 1 did work. It was 2. And then it has, that's the immediate mode. So you can type, for example, other basic commands like print, quotation marks, hi, and quotation marks. So this is in immediate mode, it will run right away. And there it went hi. So run mode is for immediate commands. Then you have if you press the basic button again, it will go into program mode, where you can do the regular type of programming by line numbers and list the programs. But I don't think I like that very much. I prefer this other text editor mode it has. And in the text editor you can actually, well, it's a text editor. And it also has a RAM disk where I store my files. So let me go to the RAM disk file, load, and I'm going to load guess my number in English. Okay, now it's loaded. Now I go back to the text mode. If I want to edit it, I can, yeah, there it is, and I can go down and list all the lines of basic. But I will provide listings for all the programs I use on the description of this video, so don't worry about looking at it in this screen. Okay, so I made 4 programs to demonstrate what this pocket computer is capable of. Of course, it's not all it's capable of, but I made 4 small programs. And well, let's start with this one. It's my go-to program for everything I make. So let's run it. It's the Guess My Number game. I hope I don't do too bad at it. Yeah, it has picked a number from 1 to 100, so I'm going to go in the middle and pick 50. Too high, so below 50, let's say 25. Too low, so between 25 and 50, let's say 35. Too high, so let's say between 30 and 25, let's say 30. 30 is too high, let's say 27. Too low, oh, it's either 28 or 29. 28, too low. 29. Yeah, it's 29. Okay, so I guessed the number. It's 29. Okay, so let me load another program. Text, file, load. And this time, I'll guess I'll do the chardump. This is just an interesting little program. Okay, I loaded it, then transfer it from the text editor to basic. Yes, overwrite it. Go to basic and run. So this program just takes all the characters that it can display and prints them on the screen. I guess it's a normal test of the the hardware, but as you can see, this is a Japanese unit, so it has many Japanese letters which will soon appear. See, now it's listing Japanese letters. And that's all the characters it can display. Okay, let me load another program. File, load. Okay, I'll show you fizzbuzz. Fizzbuzz is a program that people use in interviews to use in interviews to test to see if you can actually program at all. It was a little bit challenging because this computer lacks a mod operator, so had to do a little bit of extra programming for that. But look, I'll run it now. I hope you can see it in the video. It's a little bit fast. I could slow it a little bit more to make it more visible, but it'll print the first 100 instances of fizz and buzz with the numbers on the right and the fizz and the buzz on the left. And that's it. 100 is finished. Okay, so that's fizzbuzz. Next, let me show you the last program. File load. This is probably the best version I can show you. M2. Okay. Now I hope I don't do too bad at this program, especially since I can't concentrate so well while recording the video. Yes. Basic run. Okay, so this program says memorize this, the number 5. This one gets hard very quickly, so at the beginning it's very easy. So I just press enter and I just have to remember that it's 5. I put 5, enter. Then it says remember 44. So I press enter, 44. Then it says remember 577. Press enter, 577. Enter. Yeah. Next number is starting to get hard. 7,326. Enter. 7,326. Okay, next number is 39,436. Press enter. 39,436. Okay, now it's hard. 31,909. What's this? 300. Oh, anyway, I'll just type it. 319674. 319,674. And I can keep going, but I'm going to lose on purpose. Okay, so let's say 222. Oh, I had to press it here. 222. And there it says my score is 7. So I could remember 7 digits of numbers up to 7 digits. Okay, what else can I say about this calculator, or not calculator, but pocket computer? Well, one of the things is that it runs on regular batteries, and it doesn't have any way to save your programs except through this it has a serial terminal. Let me see if it's in focus now. Has a serial terminal on the side, which I haven't been able to interface with. So I've been doing it the poor man way of just typing the programs both on my computer and on the pocket computer. So eventually I hope I can get the serial terminal going, and then I can transfer files from and to it and make programs more easily. Maybe I'll make another video after that. What else can I say? There's a more advanced version of this calculator called the what is it? The G50. I forget the name. Anyway, there's a more advanced version which actually includes the C programming language. And this one also includes an assembly programming language. Let me show you just the menu for that. Oh, this is the assembler monitor. This castle under what it says under this is supposed to be for making programs in assembly. I'm not sure how it works. I haven't played with it yet. And I'm not sure I'm yet ready to make programs in assembler. Basic I'm very familiar with already. Okay. So the more advanced calculator actually has an English manual and it's pretty compatible with this, but it's not as, I mean, this one is not as popular as that, it seems. And also, yeah, I wasn't able to make this make any sound. It doesn't appear to have any kind of sound port or speaker. But it does have a beep command, which is confusing, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, when I finally take the batteries out or the batteries run out, the program will completely be erased. Every program in the RAM disk. Let me show you the file. Let's see the files in the RAM disk files. So the first program is guess my number in Japanese. The second one is guess my number in English. The next one is chardump. The next one is fizzbuzz. The next one is memorize.bas in English, and the next one is memorize in Japanese, and the next one is memorize 2. The reason I made two versions of memorize is that the first one waited 2 seconds, but it's really hard that way. It just waits 2 seconds and then you have to type it in. Anyway, I think that's enough for this video. If I can think of anything else, I'll put up another video. Oh, by the way, this is the size of the computer compared to my mouse. So you can see it's a pretty big computer for a pocket computer. It doesn't really fit in a pocket very well. Okay, I'll try to just end the video now. Goodbye for now.